Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert boxed formulas equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to insert boxed formula in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and insert new equation. Now we can see we inserted a new or blank equation. We click the blank equation box and go to the design menu. Then select the ascent drop down menu, then choose the boxed formula. Now I select the boxed formula and we can see we inserted boxed formula in this document very easily. You can change the text, select the text and change it. Now we can see we insert and edit the boxed formula in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.